Our today's topic is Ease or Decrease by Davyang Raj. This is Shahbaz and you are listening to Free Minds Club. Whenever you don't feel comfortable at ease, life seems you incurable like an unknown disease. Keep yourself out from the relaxed zone. Don't let your mind make you a slave and seize. Believe in yourself and potential you keep increase. Always be strong from inside, let problem decrease. Only the difference is created by way you think from mind and heart, which gives birth to disease which is an opposite of ease. Be tough from inside and every time positive energy release. Build technique to improve every day, don't let you stuck and freeze. It's up to you how you think and so that you become. Days are not far, you are successful and finally a victory squeeze.